In this tutorial, I am going to cover how do you mirror your iPad or your iPhone to your laptop using QuickTime Player. So make sure you have your iPad or your iPhone with you. QuickTime Player is actually built into the Mac operating system. So it's built right into your Mac, no need to download anything. So what you'll need to do first, find that, and you'll see here on my screen, it's right here as one of the apps in my dock. If you can't see that or you don't see that, you have to go into Finder and you're going to go to Applications and you can type in QuickTime here and you'll see it right there. Okay, so that's how to find it a couple different ways. Once you select that, it's then going to pop up a window here. It's probably saying looking for videos, that kind of thing. You might not get that. What you will all get is the QuickTime menu options in the upper left. So you're going to go up there, you're going to kind of see what's up there. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be going to File. Before you select anything though, I want to make sure you have your mobile device set up. So in this case, I have my iPad and I'm going to make sure that I have the power cable. I'm going to plug that into the power um, end using lightning cable, and then the other end is actually plugged into my laptop using the USB end. So I've plugged that into my laptop. Um, if you have a newer laptop, you may need an adapter. So here, let me just show you. So I actually need an adapter from the USB to the USB-C. So I plug that into my computer. So once I do that, I'm then cabled in, which is what you want to have set up. So I'm going to start over. I'm going to then click QuickTime Player. I've plugged everything in. It's always good to kind of have that set up and then start QuickTime Player. Then I'm going to select New Movie Recording. And at first, it's going to show a picture or a video of yourself, which is what it should do. You're going to go down here and you're going to now, okay, I want the camera to be focused on the iPad. So because I've connected it, I've tethered it with a cable, I now see the name of my iPad, which is my name. I put that on there and watch what comes up. My iPad. And I can move on here and I can go check out my apps. I can do whatever I need to do. My iPad is now on there. And so I now have the ability now to minimize this, move this around, and still have my desktop environment to work with as well. So it makes creating videos or having a video conference with students or faculty really great because I can utilize both platforms during the experience. All right, good luck. Bye.